Are you ready to take your content creation to the next level? If you're looking for a way to make high-quality AI-generated videos with ease and precision, then you're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving into an exciting AI tool that's changing the game for content creators, especially those interested in virtual influencers and product promotion. We all know the incredible potential of virtual influencers in the online world. And while AI has made it easier than ever to generate stunning images for your AI personalities, creating high-quality, engaging videos has often been a significant hurdle. It can be tough to really bring your virtual influencer to life and effectively showcase products. But what if I told you there's an AI video generator that's designed to solve exactly this problem? Today, we're taking a deep dive into Vidu AI, a platform that promises to bring your virtual influencers to life with realistic and high-quality videos. Stick around until the end as we explore its amazing features. Let's get started. This is a complete overview of the Vidu AI app, its key features, how it works, and how you can use it to create realistic, cinematic, and consistent character videos, and even promote products for online income. Make sure to watch till the end to discover all the tools inside Vidu AI, including a new AI sound effect feature. Let's get started. Vidu AI is an advanced AI video generator. This amazing video generator is designed to create high-quality videos from simple text prompts, even turn static images into dynamic videos. Many of you might be familiar with Vidu 2.0, which already offered impressive capabilities for generating consistent and complex videos. However, the latest update, Vidu Q1, takes things to a whole new level. It's more powerful, producing even more realistic and high-quality videos with enhanced clarity, subtle movements, and contrast that truly mimics real-life physics. The link to Vidu AI will be in the description below, so you can follow along or try it out yourself later. Okay, once you land on the Vidu homepage, the first step is to click on the Try Vidu button and create your account. Once you're logged in, your interface will look something like this. As you can see, Vidu offers three primary ways to create videos: reference to video, image to video, and text to video. Below these, you'll also find some handy templates that allow you to quickly generate trendy videos, like kissing, hugging, or love match scenes. Let's explore each feature in more detail. Vidu Text to Video Generator. Let's start by exploring the Text to Video Generator option. Click on that, and you'll be taken to this interface. To generate a new video, we need to enter our text prompt in this box. But before we do that, let's take a look at the video generator models. Simply click on this drop-down icon and you'll see a list of available models. For the best results, I'm going to select the latest Vidu Q1 beta. Now, let's enter our prompt. I've got a ready prompt here to save us some time. To create an outstanding video, it's helpful to follow a few basic guidelines. First, clearly and simply mention the subject or scene. Next, provide a detailed scene description, including elements like materials, clothing, color, and texture. After that, specify the subject's position, then describe the environment, and finally, mention the desired style of the video. After entering your prompt, let's look at the settings. First, the style of the video. We'll select General for this. If you're aiming for animation, then choose the animation style. Next is the video duration. Keep in mind that with the Vidu Q1 model, the current maximum video length is 5 seconds. If you need an 8-second video, you'll need to use the Vidu 2.0 model. Then we have the resolution. The Q1 model supports generating videos in crisp 1080p. After that, you can adjust the movement amplitude to control how much motion you want in your video. I'll leave it on auto for now. Next, you can set the aspect ratio of your video and then specify the number of videos you want to generate from this prompt. Finally, you have the option to enable non-peak mode. Enabling this will use fewer credits but will take longer to generate the video. Once everything is set, simply hit the Generate button. Wait for video generation. Alright, and here it is. The video is ready. Take a look at the quality. This is just amazing. The subject is incredibly detailed, with fantastic lighting and composition. This is truly an impressive video generated from just a text prompt. I have created some text-to-videos on Vidu and Leonardo. Let me show you the two side by side so you can understand which one is better. I have used same prompt to generate these images. Prompts will be in the description. Let me know in the comments which pictures you like best. Vidu Image to Video Generator. Okay, now let's go to the Image to Video Generator tab. Once you're here, you'll need to upload your image by clicking here. After the image is uploaded, you have the option to add a last frame for your video. This image will act as the starting frame of your video. For this example, I'll skip adding a last frame. Now, in this box, you simply type the text prompt describing what you want your character to do in the video. After entering your prompt, set the desired duration, resolution, movement amplitude, and the number of videos you want to generate. Once everything is set, hit the Create button. Wait for video generation. And there you have it. Our video is ready. Look at this. So, if you already have an image of your virtual influencer, you can easily create these kinds of high-quality videos using the Image to Video Generator feature of Vidu AI. Let's generate another one. Upload your desired image and write the prompt, then hit Create. You will get a very beautiful video in a few seconds. Look how beautiful this is. Now, let's explore the interesting use of the last frame feature. Imagine I want to create a video where our model, the girl, walks, turns around, and looks back again. To achieve this, I first created a couple of images with an AI image generator. This first one is just an image of a girl looking at the camera, and this second one is the girl turned back and looking at the camera again. Now, I'm going to upload the two images as the first frame and the last frame. Once both images are uploaded, I'll enter the text prompt. The girl walks, turn around, and look back again. After entering the prompt, I'll set all the desired settings and then hit the Create button. And here's the result. Look at this. Can you even tell this video was generated by AI? It looks so realistic. You can create unlimited long videos with this keyframe feature. Just use the last frame image as the new first frame and upload a new last frame to generate the next segment. Using this technique, you can create truly cinematic videos for your virtual model. Vidu reference to video feature. Alright, now I want to introduce what I think is one of the most powerful features of Vidu AI, reference to video. Here, you can actually create a video based solely on a reference image. For example, let's say I want to create a video featuring this specific model. To do that, all I need to do is upload a face image of this character here. Once the reference image is uploaded, we need to type our prompt in this box. First, it's a good idea to mention the character. So, I'll type this woman before the reference image. After that, I'll describe what I want her to do, talking on this phone reference image, and this girl reference image is standing beside her. Basically, you describe the scene you envision. Once done, set all your desired video settings and then hit the Create button. Wait for video generation. And there you have it. Our video is ready. Take a look at this video clip. This is just amazing. So, you can now create these kinds of high-quality videos using just a reference image and text prompts. Using this method, you can create all sorts of videos and effectively promote any products. And as we know, promoting products is one of the best ways to make money online. So, now you can create unlimited consistent character videos using Vidu AI's powerful features and seamlessly integrate product placements to boost your income. Vidu AI Music Generator new feature. Before we wrap up, let's quickly take a look at another exciting new feature in Vidu AI, the AI Music Generator. With this tool, you can generate original music simply from text prompts. Just enter a description of the kind of music you're looking for, set the desired duration, and hit the Generate button. And just like that, your royalty-free music is ready. This feature is fantastic for avoiding any copyright issues with music in your videos. How Vidu AI helps you make money. With Vidu AI, you can create unlimited video content, promote products and brands, build a virtual influencer identity, sell custom video services, and so much more. Whether you're a content creator, freelancer, digital marketer, or just starting out, Vidu AI opens up a whole new world of AI-powered video creation. So, if you're ready to explore the power of AI in video generation, Vidu AI is one of the best tools you can try today. From consistent character animations to product promotions and AI music, this platform has it all. You'll find the link to Vidu AI in the description box below. Try it out and let us know your experience in the comments. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the Tutorial Lab for more in-depth tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy creating!